All right, today we're gonna do a real quick, easy thing here. For those who may not know how to do it, I'm gonna change the lift gate lift support. It's an easy job. Um, Same thing for hood supports. Deck lid symptom. It's heavy. It can't hold up itself. So all we're gonna do is get a little pick or a screwdriver or something like that. Get up in there, pull out this little tab, and pop it out. And then do the same thing at the bottom. That's hard to do with one hand. At the bottom is a lot easier on this one. Pull that out. You can see this has nothing to it. Shouldn't be able to do that. And we'll do the same thing up here, but this one here is a little tighter. So I'm gonna put the phone down and grab that and show you how to put the other one on. All right, putting a new one on is so simple, a caveman can do it. Line it up. Line it up at the bottom. Done, just like that. Now it doesn't fall on itself. I can let go and it pushes it back up. Before it's hard to lift and wanted to slam. So there you have it. Change your lift gate or trunk lift support.